Hey everyone, it's SACHKO, and it feels like it's been a very long time since I've done something for YouTube. I don't know, I just feel a bit uninspired right now, and I am working on a new project series thing, but it's taking longer than I thought it would, so that'll show up when I feel like it. What have I been doing? I got a new iPad because my first one broke, and then I figured out that my new one could handle the Apple Pencil, and I fought the urge to get one because what the heck am I gonna do with one more drawing peripheral? It's not like I'm gonna create more art or anything, but I caved and bought one, and it's actually been really fun. I've been using Procreate because everyone raves and rants about Procreate being good, and I understand that because it's actually really intuitive and really easy to use. So to get to know Procreate, I asked for prompts on Instagram. It was kissing prompts thing that I found on Tumblr, I think, and I let people suggest pairings and kisses, and then I drew. They were all with my own OCs, both canon and non-canon pairings, so this first one was obviously Lucas and Alex, and then the second and the third one in this one are Falling Stars, which was fun because I don't do a lot of stuff with my Falling Stars characters, and there are no pairings in Falling Stars officially, so this is non-canon, but it was really fun to do anyway because it was really cute. I like that Procreate records your progress for you. I do wish I could get like the real-time footage because I'm not sure how these files take to slowing down. My videos are usually a lot longer than this, but the way Procreate is compressing my work time, it passes a lot quicker than it normally does in my other videos. So I've tried slowing down the first few clips, so if they look wonky, that's why. I just want more talk time because 3 minutes feels very little. So this is Claire and Neela. You can read their names at the top because I wrote down the prompt and stuff. And then the second one is Nova and Elias. And for this one, I also have another thing I started doing. There's this 3D poser. I'm not sure what it's called. It's an app. It's a homepage too, but I couldn't get the pose right, and it was frustrating. So I made the pose in that pose thingo, and then I just traced it really quickly to get the gestures, and then I sketched on top of it, and I feel like that was really helpful because it made the whole process so much more enjoyable. Also in this last one, this is probably my favorite out of the whole bunch I did for the whole prompt thing. This sketch of Elias and Nova was like my absolute favorite because I figured out the HB pencil is like my favorite thing in Procreate because I figured out if I angle the pencil, I get this whole sort of shading sketchy thing, and I just really like it. And then I also did a coloring thing at the end, which I also really liked how it turned out. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I have a few more videos of these sketches that I plan on uploading in a batch next week. Those will be like Bokuran no Monogatari and Ichiban Idol, I think. Not too sure about my video frequency. Right now it's more on a when I want to basis rather than a weekly one. I do want to get back to weekly videos because I kind of miss it at the same time as I don't. It's strange. I'm sorry about my neighbors. I'm pretty sure you can hear them. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. I'm sorry for disappearing, but you know, adulting, having a job that isn't YouTube. I think that's the thing too. I'm not obligated to do the YouTube thing because it doesn't, like, I don't get paid. So why should I when I don't want to? Anyway, I've been playing video games, just taking it easy. That's where I've been. Check out my Instagram if you want to see all of the finished pieces I did in this prompt because they're there. Yeah, this video has been going on way longer than what I had footage for, so I'm gonna have to stretch it out somehow. Until next time, which I do hope will be soon, keep on scribbling, friends. Bye!